Hi, I'm Nathan from IC Forming. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly put away your ICF bracing into the rack. First, you have to put the triangles back in. Make sure the bottom goes over top of the metal peg, and this goes into the slot. You alternate the triangle on each row. That and that. Once you got the triangles in, the next step is to put the turnbuckles in. But first, make sure you put in your wooden dividers. On the very bottom, place the wooden dividers that have the metal on the bottom first. Place the turnbuckles in. There will be 6 turnbuckles per row. Please note that the turnbuckles will be alternated on the side of the racks. Remember to put the dividers in each row. Next step is to put the vertical strong backs in. Please make sure all the concrete is off to the strong back. Take a hammer and scrape the concrete off. Then you can pile it. If you don't scrape the concrete off, you won't be able to get these gates closed. Next, you can put the pegs back in. There should be 12 pegs in each section, a total of 4 sections. Then you can close the gates, put the pin in, and you're almost good to go. Once the rack is closed, place the pins through the bottom. If this is not closing all the way, that's probably because you have concrete on your vertical strong backs. Those need to be cleaned off in order for this to close. Lastly is placing the rack of gravity pins in the rack with the bracing. However, if you are transporting them, make sure you do not put them in the rack of giraffe bracing. Place them inside your vehicle, otherwise they could pop out and fall on the road when you're driving.